Hi, Celo. We are looking at your spelling words for the week. The sound that you will find in your spelling words this week is A. A created by the letter A and the letter I together. So an F for apple and an E for injection together. F for apple and E for injection together make the A sound. And you will notice the A sound has been color-coded in all of your words. So we'll start with the sounds in each word, and then we will do the spelling of each word. K-A-N, cane. The reason why I put this in a bubble and sent you to an important notice over here is because if this person, Cain is actually somebody's name. So for somebody's name, it will always start with a capital letter. So if this is Cain, then this would be incorrect because this is not a capital letter and Cain is somebody's name. So to write it out incorrectly, you would use a capital letter at the beginning of his name. And his name is K-A-N, Cain. Okay? K-A-N, cane. Number 2, S-A-L, sail. S-N-A-L, snail. But a S and a N together can also read as one sound. Sn. Sn-A-L, snail. N-A-L, nail. P-A-N, pain. Tr-A-N, train. Dr-A-N, drain. St-A-N, stain. Ch-A-N, chain. A-G-A-N, again. R-A-N, rain. So cane is spelled C-A-I-N, cane. Cane. Number 2, S-A-I-L, sail. S-N-A-I-L, snail. N-A-I-L, nail. P-A-I-N, pain. T-R-A-I-N, train. D-R-A-I-N, drain. S-T-A-I-N, drain. C-H-A-I-N,